When you are a creator or small business owner, setting up a fast, easy way to get paid online can make all the difference. Two of the simplest tools for this are Square Online Checkout and Stripe Payment Links. Both let you start selling without building a full website or learning complicated code. But the way they handle checkout, customization, and pricing is a little different. And those differences can matter depending on what you sell. Square Online Checkout is all about simplicity. You can create a payment link or button in just a few minutes. All you do is set an item name, price, and optional image. Then, Square gives you a link that you can share anywhere, on social media, email, or even a text message. It works well for creators selling digital downloads, small products, or accepting quick payments for services. The checkout page looks clean and professional, and buyers can pay with cards, digital wallets, or Square's integrated payment options. The nice thing about Square is how everything connects. If you already use Square for in-person sales, your online checkouts sync automatically with your existing dashboard. That means your reports, inventory, and sales data all stay in one place. Square also offers automatic receipts and easy refunds. For creators who just want a link that works right away without fussing with design, this system feels effortless. Stripe Payment Links take a slightly different approach. Stripe is known for flexibility, and its payment links follow that same idea. You can create a link from your dashboard or through an integration and share it anywhere. The checkout page looks sleek and can include features like recurring payments, coupons, and localized pricing for international buyers. Stripe also supports a wide range of currencies and payment methods, making it great for creators with global audiences. Another advantage with Stripe is its developer ecosystem. Even if you start with simple payment links, you can grow into subscriptions, memberships, or advanced automation later. The checkout experience feels polished, and you can brand it with your logo and custom colors. Stripe's reporting tools also give deeper insights, though they can feel more technical than Square's straightforward dashboard. If you are a local artist, coach, or freelancer who wants something quick and easy, Square Online Checkout is a great choice. It is made for instant setup and connects smoothly with the rest of the Square ecosystem. If you are a digital creator with fans across borders, or you plan to grow into subscriptions and more complex payment structures, Stripe Payment Links give you that extra room to scale. In the end, both tools make it incredibly easy to start accepting payments online. Square wins on simplicity and integration, while Stripe wins on flexibility and global reach. The best one for you depends on how far you plan to grow your online business and how customized you want your checkout experience to be.